All right, so let's get started transplanting an aloe plant into this bigger container. This is the bad boy here. And basically this one's outgrowing its container. You can see this is the mother plant, and now she has a couple babies around the side. So what I want to do is take the mother plant out, split off the babies, put the big mother plant in this nice large pot here, and then put the babies back in here so they have enough space to grow. And the thought is, with this size of the pot for this aloe, is that we won't have to transplant the mother plant again, and that for many years that she'll live happily in this container. So let's get started. So now I have the plant out of the pot. Actually, I'm gonna slowly try to pull these babies off. So now at this point, I'm feeling around to make sure I get all of the leaves from the plant, and I'm digging through the dirt to cut off the root at the base of the mother plant so I can divide the baby to replant it. I'm also being especially careful as I'm pulling the babies off of the mother plant so I don't damage the leaves, and so there's as little damage to the root system as possible. Here she is. Now at this point, it's important to make sure the plant and the soil is distributed evenly. And now I'm taking the smaller baby plants and I'm putting them into their own individual pots, and we'll distribute soil over them as well. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me in learning how to transplant aloe. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. Look forward to more content coming from me soon. Thanks for joining.